and welcome to Leo's Lockpad. The bite lock that's shown in a previous, well, I think it's about 3 videos back maybe, or 2 videos back. I'm going to pick this one today. It is heavy duty bite lock with 2 keys. Cabling might be quite thick, but that lock is not very secure. That core there is definitely cast metal, it's definitely not brass, which means the screwdriver is just going to split it, open it up quite easily. Cheap plastic casing. Show you the keys. There's the bid in. It does work. There we go. So look inside there. Oh. Well, let's see if we can get it picked. I mean, the last one I had like this was it was terrible. It wasn't just easy to get into. It was a complete waste of time and money for a lock for any type of bike to secure. It's not something you want to be using, especially with a Charles bike. Also, I haven't got one, but I will get one. I've got an old one somewhere. You remember the old combination bike locks? They're the worst ones you can get because you don't need no brute force, you don't need no tools to get into them. All you had to do was pull on one side of the chain and slowly turn the combination bit by bit, and it would just pop undone. I'm going to use a Southall wrench, small hook, top of the keyway, a little bit of tension. Get the pick to the back first, put the tension on. I'm trying to look for a binder and try a small hook. I'm having a problem with finding a binder on this. It's like the pins are just slop. I'll have to reset. A bit fiddly this one. There we go. We've done it. I gotta admit though, it takes longer to pick this than it does with this master lock, which is it's like an £8 lock. There we go. It's picked anyway. The thing is with these, like I say, they're not very good locks, and what you've got inside there, just get a light. If you can see, all it is, it's a single blade on the back of the lock that turns, and it's casting. It's terrible. I think a good, fairly strong screwdriver in the end of this is just going to bust it straight open. I'm going to gut it at some point and then show you the innards, but more than likely it'll be exactly the same. Yeah, it's going to be exactly the same as that. Just a cheap cast one. So yeah, if you're looking for any bike locks, stay away from anything like this. Any pound shot ones, quality save ones as well. Stay away from them. Just find yourself a really decent one. These things just absolutely crap. No good. And they stink. The rubber smells rotten on them for some reason. It's got a really pungent smell to it. But I hope you like this video, and thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and bye.